Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will have 45 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I gave you 40 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I would recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. Also, some important announcement for you. We will give the courses in different parts. Each part will consist of 10 plus free courses. The first course is Digital Marketing Strategy 2021. Start from scratch. In this course, you will build an entire marketing strategy from your project in 2021, increase sale with online marketing tools, understand the fundamental principle of the internet marketing, 7 steps to building a digital marketing strategy, competitive analysis, work with analytics tools, the right way to draw a portrait of a target audience, find effective traffic tools for your niche, make a media plan. These courses 1.5 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile TV, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is Digital Strategy 30421. The coupon will be valid till one day. The next course is Easy Way to Learn Python for Beginner 2021. In this course, you will learn the professional real-world program in Python, the ultimate OOP way, learn how to plan your Python program before writing them, learn and apply proper design principle when programming in Python, learn to troubleshoot code issue using debugger, get a deep understanding of how Python works under the hood. Learn to write highly organized modular code. You will build a large real-world Python application. This course is 10.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, XML TV, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is learning. This code is valid for one day. The next course is WordPress for Beginner, Master WordPress Swiftly. In this course, you will be able to build a corporate introductory website, be able to create menu in WordPress, be able to build a blog website, be able to design WordPress page with page builder, be able to mobile optimize a WordPress website, be able to migrate website between different hosts. These courses in 5.5 on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is Stay Strong. This code is valid for one day. The next course is 2021 Python for Data Science and Machine Learning from A to Z. In this course, you will become a professional data scientist and learn how to use NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, machine learning, and more. This course is in 23 hour on-demand video, 13 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 9B 92F3F69978FC8711AF. The coupon will be valid for one day. The next course is Microsoft Advanced Excel Training version 19. In this course, you will learn master Microsoft Excel and its many of the advanced features, carry out regular tasks faster than ever before, build a cash flow statement, build valuation model from scratch, design professional and good looking advanced chart, become one of the top Excel users in your team, discover how to value a company, create a model with multiple scenarios. This course in 35.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of the course is Excel27. The coupon will be valid for one day. The next course is 2021 Data Science and Machine Learning with our A to Z course. In this course, you will become a professional data scientist R and learn machine learning, data analytics, visualization, web apps, and more. This course is 28.5 hour on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 2A30D39992079820C7E2. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Learn to Code Trading Card Game Battle System with Unity 3D. In this course, you will learn a comprehensive and easy to learn guide to create a trading card game battle system with Unity 3D. This course is 15.5 on-demand video, 5 article, 46 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel modality, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 04424BC7121AD11CA05F. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Learn how to make trading card game menus with Unity 3D. In this course, you will learn a full guide to menu and collection management in trading card game with Unity 3D. This course is 7.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel modality, and certification completion. The next course is React Node Website Development for Beginner. In this course, you will learn to build extremely fast website using React with Node.js, learn image upload with Cloudinary, learn how to send email using SendGrid, learn to make static web page of your React website SEO friendly, learn to deploy Node.js API to Heroku, learn to deploy React app of Heroku. Easy build a fully functional website in under 3 hours. This course is 3 hours on-demand video, full article, full lifetime access, excel modality, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 9F4C722C1A86E37B614E. The coupon is valid for 3 hours. The next course is the complete business and marketing course, 23 courses in 1. In this course, you will handle difficult people like a pro, a power of motivation, influence tools and skill, networking skills, customer service, stress management, powerful communication skill, be a great leader, the art of selling complete series, leadership and management, online marketing and advertising, the secret of motivation, Udemy course creation guide, social media marketing, goal setting mastery, principle of success, confidence training, be organized, growth mindset, goal setting skill. This course in 42.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excel modality, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 95E87B781880B56C19CE7. This coupon code is valid for 1 day. This is a part 1 of the Today Udemy course. The second part will be coming soon in few hours. Watch the full video and apply the course as soon as possible before coupon expire. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.